moyimirira maiko amenewo, komanso tinene kuti pomalankhulana ndi maiko osiyanasiyana tikuwauza kuti monga Malawi ndikhulupiriranso ndi maiko ena sitili okondwa kuti tizitchedwa kuti maiko osaukisisa ndikumakhala momwemo. Monga Malawi ikupanga china chilichonse kuti ichokemo mugulu anthu kapena maiko osaukisisa, koma kuti tichokemo nkofunika kuti maiko tigwirizane, chifukwa pali zina zimene maiko akuchita zimene zikuthandizira kuti Malawi ikhale osaukabe. Mwachisanzo tinapita ku kopu ya ku Dubai, tinauzidwa zambiri sizinachitike, ku Egypt sizinachitike, ndiye timawauzanso kuti tabwera kuno monga Malawi ndikhulupiriranso ndi maiko ena osauka sitinabwere kuno kuzaombera m'manja zimene muzitiuza kuti mupanga. Kunoko sitinabwere kuombera m'manja, tabwerera kuti mutipase. Ndiye tikudziwa olankhula nawo, tikudziwa owafunsa kuti nkhani isakhale kuombera m'manja zimene akumatiuza, koma nkhani ikhale yoti matipasa chani, munalankhula izi. Kukhala ngati tikulankhulana mwamphamvu koma mopasana ulemu, chifukwa si bwino kuti lero munthu akuuze ndikupangira chakuti azabwerenso iye chinafuta chakundipangira chakuti, sizimapereka ulemu. Ndiye chingaitire osauka timanena kuti zimene zozo ayi.
Your Excellencies, I bring to you greetings from the President of the Republic of Malawi, Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera, and the people of Malawi. It is an honor for me to join you here today in Baku at this COP29 summit. This gathering is a powerful reminder of our collective duty. The duty is to secure a healthy, resilient, and sustainable planet for generations to come. Your Excellencies, I'm also profoundly honored that at this conference I am wearing two hats, representing my country, Malawi, as well as the voices of 45 other nations in the least developed countries group. Excellencies, in Malawi, the climate change is not a distant abstraction. We see its effects firsthand, and we feel its impact each day. Devastating floods, prolonged droughts, and unpredictable weather patterns continue to disrupt lives, destabilize livelihoods, and threaten the well-being of future generations. For a country like Malawi, the consequences are not only economic, but also deeply inhumane. The catastrophe comprises food security, public health, and infrastructure development, exacerbates poverty, and undermines our hard-won development gains. However, in all these hardships and obstacles we are facing, Malawi remains steadfast in its commitment to climate action. Yes, as we said, we are a small country with a big heart, the big heart to surmount our hardships. Through our national determined contributions, we have committed to ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, enhancing climate resilience, and transitioning to sustainable energy sources. Yes, with adequate resources and partnerships, we believe these targets can transform our communities, strengthen food security, and empower our people to thrive in the face of climate changes. Your Excellencies, like I said earlier, that I am also speaking on behalf of all least developed countries. I would like to make the voice louder that the hour for change is now. COP29 is not simply a conference, it is a call to action, a defining moment for our collective future. This conference follows a landmark decision and a global stake we made last year in Dubai, which reinforced that we must do more and we must do it with great resolve. As LDC's community, we call out upon all the parties to implement the recommendations from the global stock tech, particularly enhancing climate finance, accelerating clean energy transitions. We must collectively accelerate our transition to renewable energy and reduce dependency on fossil fuels. Strengthening adaptation, prioritizing loss and damage. This fund must be designed to directly benefit those who have suffered the most and with flexibility to meet the specific needs to each affected nation. I thank you.
Yes.